Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rum and raisin ice cream. First, let's prepare our star ingredient. Combine 1 cup of your favorite raisins with 1/2 cup of quality dark rum in a sealed container. Give it a good stir to ensure all the raisins are submerged. For the deepest flavor, let this mixture soak for at least 24 hours or even up to several days in the refrigerator. This simple step is crucial for that authentic rum and raisin taste. Now, let's create the creamy custard base. In a bowl, whisk 6 egg yolks with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale and thick. In a saucepan, gently heat 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of whole milk until just simmering. Slowly pour a small amount of the warm cream into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. Then, return everything to the saucepan and cook over medium-low heat, stirring until it thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. Once your custard base is ready, it's essential to chill it thoroughly. Transfer the custard to an airtight container and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. A well-chilled base ensures optimal churning. Next, pour the cold custard into your ice cream maker and churn it according to the manufacturer's instructions. During the last 5 minutes of churning, gently fold in your delicious rum-soaked raisins. This prevents them from sinking to the bottom. After churning, transfer the soft-serve consistency ice cream into a freezer-safe container. Press a piece of parchment paper directly onto the surface to prevent ice crystals from forming. Then, place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it reaches your desired firmness. This final freeze allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the texture to set perfectly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade rum and raisin ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.